Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can start using Bullx Neo and how you can set up your account on Bullx Neo. Now to do this, the process is really simple and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Now as you guys can see here, if you hit the start button, it will show you this message right here that you have been put on a waiting list. But to get the early access, I'll show you a way which is really easy. We'll head over to the search bar, and on the search bar we'll search Bullx Neo access code, and here you will see one with this much subscribers. Go and click on it, and now here you will see this button, get instant access. Just go and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll get the link of your login. You'll see this message that your access code has been redeemed, so you can simply go now and click on login button in order to continue. Now we gotta wait a few seconds here and it will redirect us to the Neo Bullx main interface. Now you have completed the initial steps, and in order to now start trading, we will head over to the wallet manager right here. Now this is the wallet's address given to you by Neo Bullx. You can copy this address and deposit Solana in this or Tron, whatever you want to trade. So we will head over to this phantom wallet I have right here on my Google Chrome. We can simply select Solana here, and now here we will type in the address by copying from this three dots that I just showed you guys. So go to send, select Solana, and enters the wallet's address and the amount of SOL you want to send. Let's just say we want to send 0.004 or 5 maybe. So we can click on next and send, and as you guys can see now that my transaction is successful in a couple of seconds. Now if we reload the page, you can see that my balance is now updated. Just wait a few seconds and that's it. As you guys can see, my balance is now updated. Now that's how you can go and start trading on Neo Bullx. Well, if you want a detailed tutorial about Bullx Neo, I'll make a separate video for that as well. Until then, if you like this video, do consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.